Hi and welcome back to another Python video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Monte Carlo simulation for productivity index. We'll be starting off by importing the libraries NumPy and Matplotlib. We will be creating the well test parameters, which is going to be the PWF and the flow rate, and the reservoir pressure is going to be assumed on triangular distribution. And we will generate the left, right, and the mode, which is the most repeated values, and then we'll plug in those values into the productivity index equation. Once we get the result, we start plotting the histogram, and then we'll just create a basic plot setup for the legend, the grid, and the title. Also, we need to add some optional setup for the histogram by manipulating the bins, and we're also going to manipulate the edge colors, and also going to add a transparency to this. As you can see, this is just a single data. Of course, we can change the size to accommodate the distribution. There you go. Now you have a productivity distribution using the triangular one. Thank you so much.